My people, hey, some men don't say they no go just die in vain for this life. Oh, even old men. This one a 66-year-old man wey dey say he get side chick wey be 25, and they go jolly. You understand? Na so they say make they go enjoy themselves. They go guest house. Wahala dey o. They enter guest house, they enjoy, they knack themselves. My people, before you know it, na so this old man just die. Yeah? And they say when they come, they inspect the room now, you know as they do. They come check, they open bags, they investigate the matter. And so they find different enhancement drugs for this. Omo, no be small thing o. Wetin dey call that one Viagra, abi wetin una dey call am, that one dey inside. Deep heat spray, e dey inside. Polar ice, e dey omo, gbogbo atigbo, everything just full. They say like 5 different enhancement things. Those things wey una men una fit relate. All those things wey una dey use, dey gidi. They say they find am plenty for inside. No be small matter. Na as e take come this world, na so e take go back. The same place. He use the same means of transportation. No be small matter. And na so this man just peme on top 25. See age difference. No, una just wan kill una self. 66. No, how you wan satisfy 25? No, una no dey think am. How 66 wan satisfy 25? Man. Matters like this, na matters like this, they make me dey think of how Ned go dey satisfy Regina. No, look am. Wetin be the difference? Ned Nwoko, I dey call you and I dey beg you. You don hear this one now. Before we go hear your matter too, because I no even know your own self. Na only God know wetin you dey use. Because no, my people, e no dey easy. That one even get up to 6. No, imagine this one only 1 or 25. Now he die. Now they say our bros. Oh my brother. No go peme like this one, no, you understand? I beg, time never reach. No make our number 6 a widow. My people, make una dey very careful of the kind life una dey live. Because see, this life we go give account to. Imagine this one now. Wetin this man go tell God? No, as you don't go now, wetin you wan tell God? Say you dey knack, then you can't die. All of una wey dey talk autopsy. Wetin una wan find out again? No, wetin dey here to find out? E dey very clear. My advice for una, men, make una gather here. Stop all these enhancement things. They no dey healthy. They no dey healthy. Make una see, leave these things for young boys. You understand? Leave am for your 66 years. Wetin? No, you don old. See, do your best. All the old men. Now message for now. Do your best and leave the best for toys. Because una no fit kill una sef. Una don hear say they sen ten ce person for coming. No, nah. If it's time for you to come, you come. Anybody wey no fit, why una always wan kill una sef? See this man now, he don go. Only in the name of say you wan please person. This one now, my brother, as you go now, this girl will go find another one. Now wetin una suppose always dey carry for una head. Ladies, it is well, sha. My sister, as this man don go now because of you, I wonder wetin you dey do now, whether you dey cry abi you don. E no dey easy o. Men, make una learn una lesson. Learn this lesson, no go die before your time, you understand? Abi una dey relate? My people, na the matter be this. I wan know wetin una dey think concerning this issue. And wetin be una advice to other men outside there? No forget, drop am there, because this thing dey go far. You fit help person, you fit save person life. You understand? Yes, subscribe if you never subscribe. Share this video. E dey very, very important. You understand? Yes, don't go far, and don't forget, na your apropos madam be this. I go see you later. My people, Bobrisky don come again. No. Hey, now wow, wonder to true no go ever end for this life. Now Bobrisky dey plan to travel Relax. So she said, sorry, he said he said they go Colombia next year, this 2021 like this. In mind already. In fact, nobody fit change im mind again. Say they go Colombia. Say next time una go see am, he go get some nice, garden. No more gundus for am. And this one now, he inspiration come after he see one guy. The guy go do im gender, he go change completely. So he don bring am outside, come dey tell us say since this guy fit do this thing, change im sex, you understand, and he no die, because that thing dey risky o. He say since the guy do am, he no die, he come out alive. Na him be say e own too must happen the same way. My people, no be small matter. And now for all of una wey dey confused, because many people just dey disturb my ear. Madam Aproko, Bobrisky na man abi na woman? I don bring am come una now. He still be man, but now e dey go change now. Na this time around e go turn woman complete. Go get complete breast, complete, you understand, those other parts too. So as he talk this thing now, my people, everybody come dey blast Bobrisky o, say he no get sense, say this one. And now because of many talk wey dey go around, na so Bobrisky just relax. He come talk say okay, say he get talk, he get word for all of us wey dey judge am. He say before we judge am, abeg make we lis ten to wetin he need to talk. Now I bring am come una side, and he talk say since wey him be 25 years old, him be man, say nothing to show for it o. Nothing to show, him just be man. The one wey even shock me pass, Bobrisky even open mouth come dey talk say say even im certificate no give am job. Abeg, which certificate? He talk say him go Unilag, University of Lagos, say him study accounting. Wo, hey Bob, na wow. Abeg, all of una wey dey Unilag, assemble yourself for here, because me I no wan shout today o. I no come here come shout. So make una, if you know say you be Bobrisky classmate, come this table now, because me and una get serious talk. If you know say, abeg write am for the comment section. I wan dey sure say this guy no dey lie, because I no believe am. I no believe am. You study accounting. Abeg, which kind of accounting? Gender accounting or cross-dressing accounting? Which one? Because I no know. See person wey study accounting, my people. Abeg, all this speech wey dey give us now, wetin be the moral value? No, wetin we suppose learn now from this one? Yes o, because she just dey turn our head. And now they come ask am say, okay, why you can't do this thing? Why you can't change? Why you want can't change from man to woman? He come open him mouth, come still dey tell us say the time wey him be man completely, you know say now na half. He said the time wey him be man, he dey see him female friends dey go out, when they come back, better money, all those plenty things. Now so why I always dey talk she? Bia, make Bobrisky warn himself, no come dey change my mind. He come talk say him go house, sit down, strategize, plan in life. He come say, okay, wetin fit work for me now? Since I get some women futures for my body, he come to say, okay, he go turn cross-dresser, gay. Na so he come balance. Now from there, and now he start dey use expensive bleaching creams. He say na from there endorsements come dey come, people come dey call am for different jobs. I no come understand. No, na people make it no be say na me just dey talk. I still na why I bring am come for now. And now the matter wey dey worry me for this one be say, Bobrisky, see, you dey change God's plan o. Maybe God don write am down say you go use your gundus impregnate person, wey the person go fit dey useful, because say any human being wey dey this world, God get plan for am. So now Bobrisky don dey change God's plan like this. Your gundus now you dey go through am. Hey, now my people, see, even to talk, I no even fit talk. This matter, e still dey do me somehow for body. And this kind person now, una go dey worship am, una go dey give am inspirational things, una go dey say una dey proud of am. Wetin una dey proud for this thing? Wetin now? Wetin? No, make una tell me. Wetin why always dey talk she? Wetin dis guy come dey tell us now be say any man wey dey look for job wey no see job turn to cross-dresser. Yes, because he say he dey find job, he no see job, he dey broke since 25 years old. Na dis thing come give am money, so he dey try tell una. God save some people say they no be my boyfriend. Because now una go dey cause this society, una go dey leave us boyfriends less. Imagine say all the men come turn to Bobrisky. Na be say problem dey o, serious problem go dey. All this thing wey this person talk now, na only one word I find inside: laziness. You too dey lazy, you no even fit pursue money. Okay, as you don dey change to woman now, say you no dey see money because you be man. As you be woman, no be man go still give you money. No be man go still give you this money. No be about being woman o. Because many of una don dey carry this thing for una head say women always dey enjoy money. Before woman go see money the way una dey think am, she need compromise. If you no compromise, you no go see money. You understand? And for una, I don bring word for una. All of una wey dey there dey shout say, don't judge Bobrisky, leave Bobrisky, this one. See, the thunder wey dey charge for una. No, relax. Now una fit talk, una fit open mouth. No worry. Now when una nephews, una sons, una cousins go start dey behave like Bobrisky, na that time una go understand why we dey shout. Imagine person wan go change im whole body to woman. The part wey I dey wait for, I no even feel wait again. I dey wait for her like make she give birth, abi make she carry belle. Serious problem. Abeg bring this girl, bring this man outside. Bob, my guy. See, all the people wey dey advise you say make you turn to woman. For your mind now, you dey happy. They no love you o. See, now your downfall, they push you, they just dey push you inside your downfall like this. For your mind now, they love you. These people, they fit die for you anytime. See, time still dey for you to change. Change your ways. Now you still have time, oh. You still have time, oh, Bob. Repent, oh, before it go too late. My people, now the matter be this. I don't know wetin to do again to make this man change his mind. Because the one way go shele. If this thing succeed, Nigerian government, una no dey hear me now. If Bobrisky succeed do this thing, make una just dey ready, because Nigeria never even fall finish. Nigeria go fall pata baje. E go shele for una eye. And my prayer, una way dey in power, una way get power to change this thing, to punish this guy, and una no dey do am. I just dey pray say may God just give una small taste of this medicine. Maybe one of una pikin go just wan be like that. Because una no dey hear until the thing hit una before una go stand up. Now no be una consignment, no be una business. Make una continue, no worry. Now here we dey, now here I go still bring una matter when e shele. My people, which word una get for Bobrisky? I need know, so that him go know. Write am for the comment section, because this one wey about to happen na terrific. Na bomb. So anything wey you know say you want tell am, any advice, any suggestion, abeg drop am for the comment section and share this video, so that wherever him dey, you fit change him mind. Even though I know say nothing go make am change him mind, but we still dey pray for am. You understand? Yes, share this video and don't forget subscribe if you never subscribe. It is very, very important. I love you guys. I will see you later.